Hello, welcome to another edition of ESQL Solving Industry Problems. So today we have once again, our wonderful three senior executive officers, and we have been presented with a new problem. And the current problem is focused in one of the business portfolio, and it is in the telecommunications sector of their business. So what do they have for us today? So in front of us, they have a project aim that they hope we can solve. And the problem aim is this. As you can see, they want us to provide an intelligent insight. What will this intelligent insight provide? What do they want from this insight? What they want for us to provide is to go into their data and get customers that are using above 80% and have 12 months contract with them. And the purpose of it is for marketing, target marketing really. Where is the data? It will be raw data. It will be on the next page. We'll have a look at that shortly. What more project aim do they have? We've just talked about one. Number two, they hope we can achieve this without the use of formulas. And what kind of system do they use? They use Excel. So they don't want us to apply formulas. They want us to apply any conventional system. Now the constraint that they have also, they have zero Excel formula knowledge because staff coming into the company and go out, and also the staff that are in their company spend countless hours using formulas to achieve multiple projects, and that is not making them happy. Okay, so what do we have next? Just to recap, this is the project aim so we don't lose track, and they're using Excel, and that is their problem. What do we have here? This is the raw data. We have column 1, which is the customer ID, column 2, which is, I can see, is the max data allowed, column 3, I can see this is what the customer has used, column 4, I can see clearly this is the contract type, column 5, I can see this is now the contract length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So if you're wondering there, why do they want this kind of why they are trying to achieve this kind of project aim? Clearly, number one here, if they do achieve this, it kind of helps to analyze customer usage patterns to optimize plans. Yeah, they can now optimize plans. Or number two, to create target marketing campaigns for high usage customers. Exactly, this is exactly what they're trying. I can achieve now with what I can see here. And then what are the benefits? You can see all the benefits that they can achieve with this. That can help increase customer satisfaction through tailored service offerings and the rest. How will the result be? Let us see how we can achieve this. First of all, I guess the best way to approach this is to kind of know the kind of solution that will be able to achieve this. This is Excel. Wonderful, we're happy, we can deal with this. And what solution am I going to use? I'm going to use ESQL. How will the result be? It's we hope to provide a simple report like this, and we hope to achieve it swift and fast. At the end of the day, we hope everyone in the company, both new and all senior executives, will be as happy as these fellows looking here with the application of ESQL. Okay, so now I'm going to run a demo, fast demo, to see how we can achieve the project aim. So in doing this, quite simple, I'll be applying ESQL. As you can see in front of us, I'm going to launch ESQL now. I'll be using the big screen once again. Just push it aside so you have a bigger and clearer view. I am using the second view. Where is the data? I have now pulled the data into ESQL. So as you can see, let us inspect the data now. For us not to lose focus, our aim is to see where any of these customers have used above 80% of their subscription. As you can see now, what do we have here? Column A is the ID, column B is the plan max, which I can see this customer 1 is entitled to 5 gig and they've used 4 gig. We need to determine if this is 80% usage. If it's not, then that's not what they want. If it is, that's number 1 criteria they want. Then number 2 criteria they want, they didn't talk about the plan B, they just want the contract to be 12 months. So we should be looking at a customer like this to check, validate if it meets the criteria. Then we go to the next customer, which is the 12-month customer, this customer, and on and on and on and on and on. Let's see how big this this data is. We're going down. All right, so it's 35, but it's like, I think 34 records because of the header above. All right, so how can we achieve this? Simple. On the right hand side, I have a targeted solution for this. What I'm looking at to provide a result that has the following columns. Column 1, I'm going to provide the ID, which is column A. The next, I'm going to bring out the B column. The third bit, I'm going to bring out C column, till all the way till column E, which is the contract length. Now this is where it gets interesting. Well, the next thing I'm going to bring out is to bring out a model where I can get the percentage usage. This percentage usage clearly just means I'll get what percentage of 4 is 5, what percentage of 4 being used, 4 gigabyte being used, is in this 5 maximum allowance. That will now bring this result. The next bit, there's another segmentation algorithm here which is very important. After determine the percentage usage, I will now go one step further to say if that percentage usage is above 80%, mark it as yes. I think we need to, that's what they're looking for, to now target this customer for marketing, else the customer is normal. And we'll now call that column segmentation. And where are we getting the data is from sheet 1, sorry, table 1, which is this table. The condition is quite clear what they want. They want us to target just the contract length, that is 12 months, on this column E. Then finally, I'm just going to order it to make it look fine and simple. So let's test this. I'm clicking on run now. Alright, ESQL is doing its thing now. Let's see how the result will be, and clearly we hope to achieve exactly what the senior managers want. Okay, as we can see, there's ID 1 there coming out as it's 12 months, ID 3 coming up as is premium, which is 12 months, ID 6 also, if premium is 12 months. So I think it's coming, they are coming out clearly exactly what I want, and I hope it is clearly going to achieve every single thing the senior managers want. So it's quite a big. Alright, ESQL is finished. I'm just going to push this graph aside because this data is quite lengthy. Let's open it up. Oh my. Alright, so what do we have here? First of all, let's see how ESQL performed this within 52 seconds. As you can see, very fast for this amount of data. I'm going to push this aside now to see more. So what do we have here? Let me explain. First of all, like I told you, it brought all the columns. I want all the way to these bits. That's clear. The next bit is percentage I told you of. So clearly 4 is 80% of 5. That's why 80 is there, and on and on and on the percentage. Now, if you remember, what we're trying to get here is to tag, to segment. If it is above 80%, target market upgrade. As you can see in the code here, I'm going to push this where, let me just get a better view of it. Yes, I think this other view will be good. Now, as you can see, this is where it worked when it is, this is the code here, this is the segmentation code, where it is above 80%, it tagged it as market upgrade. If it's not, it's normal. As you can see, 80 is still 80 is 80, is not above 80, so it's normal. When it's above 80, it now targets these two as market upgrade, and that's exactly what they want. So this is really a full data presentation of what they want. We can end this here, but I'm going to take this the next level. What do I want to do? So because we have this now, I am going to comment this out. I'm trying to present to the senior managers two different reports. For this first report, I'm going to comment this out. I'll call this one customers and segmentation. So I'm going to go back again to ESQL because I believe the senior leaders will like me to provide this, which I've provided, and to add one more step. And what am I looking at? I'm looking at making the report also clearer for different units. So I'll come down here to our code here, our script. I'm going to add this to it. What this simply does is to just give us only those customers, that these two customers alone, as another report. So what I've added this little bit, and the criteria will be where is 12 and meets this only. So I'm going to run that now.
SQL operation started. SQL operation finished.
Alright, that was super fast. So I'm going to get this out of the way, and let's see what it has done. Let's see what it has done. So it has provided us with just those two customers. I think they will like this kind of report. So I'm going to comment this out real fast. So I'm going to go with this. So this will now be so this will be specific market target. Yep. So as you can see now, as you can see in front of you, let's go back a little bit. I'm giving them two reports now. The first report starts from these bits to these bits using ESQL, clear commenting out. Then the next bits, again, they will now have to see this old data and use it how they wish to use it. So this marks the end of this presentation. We've been able to use ESQL to provide even more than they wanted in this